The Simpson Mini Brute Electric Hot Water Pressure Washer takes cleaning tasks to the next level. With both cold and hot water functionality, this direct drive pressure washer is equipped with a 120-volt electric motor and 4-gallon diesel-fueled heating system to increase your water's temperature by as much as 100 degrees up to a maximum of 210 degrees Fahrenheit. At 1500 psi and 1.8 GPM, it's built with a reliable AAA triplex pump with safety relief valve and an integrated unloader. The Armor 50-foot steel braided high-pressure hose is made with quick connect capability, and the ergonomic spray gun includes a 48-inch insulated grip lance to withstand water temperatures of up to 320 degrees. Additional features include 4 quick connect nozzles, a horizontal heat exchanger and burner on-off rocker switch, a 15-amp high-limit switch, and 35-foot GFCI cord. It's all compactly housed on a welded steel frame with 13-inch premium pneumatic tires. The Simpson Mini Brute Hot Water Pressure Washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.